Hello, today we're making my grandma's macaroni and cheese on top of the stove. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. We're using the large elbow macaroni and cheese. That's the small one in my hand right there. But my grandma loved using the large elbow macaroni noodles. And I notice this time of the year, you can find them more in the store. First, we're going to boil our water. Boil it to a boil, however long it takes. Then we're going to add the macaroni noodles. As you see, I'm adding the macaroni noodles. I'm adding salt for flavor in case I forget to add it later on down the road. I have a backup plan. Also, you use 2 things of the shredded cheese, 2 blocks and 2 bags of shredded cheese, so 4 in total. 10 minutes is as long as I'm letting the macaroni noodles cook. You can do it anywhere between 9 to 11 minutes, and you stir to kind of break the noodles up. Make sure they're not sticking together. All right, I have my strainer, and now I'm going to just pour it through the strainer straight down the sink, because I want the strainer to catch all my noodles, or at least most of them, because they all didn't come out the pan. There you go. It's okay if some still is left in the pan. Make sure you turn it down to low, because you don't want any of this to burn, and it can burn easily. So I put a stick of butter in, and I'm going to let that melt. While I'm letting that milk, I'm going to open up my canned milk. Then I'm going to match it with another cup of water. You can also use regular gallon milk, 2 cups of regular milk, because it's already thinned out. The butter has melted. Hopefully you can see that. Then I'm going to add my canned milk and add the water, because we're going to make kind of like a chunky cheese sauce. All right, I'm going to break some of those noodles up at the bottom here, mix it in with the milk and butter. Now I'm adding the rest of the macaroni noodles. Like I said, you can use the small if that's what you really like, but I just love my big ones because that's what my grandmother used. Stir everything together. Now in this bowl, I have 2 of the, I believe the 8-ounce blocks of cheese, or the 16-ounce blocks of cheese. And we already cut them up. I'm going to stir it and mix it in with my noodles. And that way my noodles are covered with the blocks of cheese. Salt and pepper to taste. Ooh, I didn't forget to add it. Next, I'm going to add the shredded cheese, and this one is actually the triple cheddar cheese, because I wanted a little bit of that mild cheddar mixed in there. And then I'm going to stir that up and blend it the best I can. You notice at the very, very bottom, you still kind of see a little bit of milk, because we're, getting it to a saucy consistency. And I'm adding my second package of shredded cheese. So remember, in total, you're going to use 2 blocks, 2 packages of shredded cheese, 4 in total. And if you don't like it too cheesy, you just do maybe 2 packages, 1 block. Or you could do 3 packages of shredded cheese. Some people don't really want to cut anything up. That's the easiest way. Just have it already shredded. Okay, so now we're going to let it simmer. And we're going to let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Then I'm going to check on it, because you don't want to over simmer. And remember to keep your stove to low. Now, while it's simmering, I'm stirring it. About halfway through, I stir it. So about maybe 2.5 minutes you stir. Simmer for 2 minutes and you're done. I'm plated now. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I hope you enjoy it.